Serbia is one of the least evangelized countries in Europe. Niš is the city on the south of Serbia with 350,000 people. Less than 100 of those people are Christian. You ask me why I like a church? This is why.
Zato što je to moja porodica.
Zato što je ovo crkva milosti.
Ovdje sam ono što jesam.
Zato što moja crkva voli mene i zato što tu odrastaju moja djeca.
Because it puts up with me in spite of my many mistakes.
I try carrying the weight of the world.
Church is still the answer for this city and every other city.
Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans.